अभी मैं सबसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि कृपया करके राष्ट्रगान के लिए अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। अब मैं माननीय विरोधी दल के नेता श्री सुवेंदु अधिकारी जी से आग्रह करूंगा कि कृपा करके वो स्टेज पर आएं और अपना पक्ष रखें।
Vande Mataram. I would like to convey my gratitude and respect to our Honorable Governor of West Bengal, His Excellency Mr. P. Anand Bose, and I would like to convey my thanks to everybody, those who are present here. Sir, you know the actual situation of Bengal. Here the four pillars of constitution: one lawmaker, second bureaucrat, third judiciary, fourth media. All constitutional pillars attacked and destroyed by the ruling Trinamool Congress in West Bengal. As a leader of opposition, in every year I suspended from the assembly, and they not to allow me to raise my voice on the floor of the August House. Sir, last 2021 general election, here a horrible incident happened that called post-poll violence. More than 57 people brutally killed by the goons, including BJP Assembly candidate Mr. Manos Saha. The then time Acting Chief Justice of West Bengal, Mr. Bindal, Honorable Mr. Bindal, he intervened. The then Governor, our present Vice President of India, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar ji, visited multiple places to meet the shelterless people and injured persons. The then High Court 5 main benches fought, and they ordered an independent inquiry by the National Human Rights Commission. They submitted a report in front of the bench. After that, CBI order inquired. CBI order passed by the 5 main bench, judges bench, and a seat also formed. After that 2023 Panchayat election, you know everything. You went multiple places, started from Cooch Behar to Bhangor, Canning to multiple places. You went and visited the rural West Bengal. You opened a war room in Raj Bhavan. More than 8,000 complaints deposited here. We heard from the media. Most probably you sent all the allegations to the State Election Commission and Government of West Bengal for inquiry and taking necessary action. They not to take not a single action against the miscreants in 2023 Panchayat election. Here in West Bengal, 4th June, after counting, same type of incident happened all over the Bengal. More or less 10 to 15,000 opposition workers, mainly BJP, and common people, they now shelterless, houses are looted, more than 1,000 people seriously injured, and a horrible incident and painful incident going on in Cooch Behar district, South Chobbish Pargona district, North Chobbish Pargona district, East Bardhaman district, West Midnapur district, Howrah rural district, part of Hooghly district, and multi places of other part of our state. Sir, with heavy heart, we wanted to meet with you with your prior permission on last Thursday. We came in front of your gate. Kolkata police, under the leadership of one DCP, Mr. Mirat Khalid, and one DC Indira Mukherjee, they prevented 200 victims from outside the gate, 100 meters from here. And they also blocked leader of opposition on the state. We contacted your good office, your ADC knows everything, your OSD knows everything. One victim person, Srimati Mamoni Das, sent a mail regarding the atrocity of the Kolkata police as per the direction of the ruling party. I also sent a mail to you. After that, we went Calcutta High Court. Calcutta High Court single bench judge, Honorable Madam Sheena, passed a order on Friday that no police, nobody can prevent anyone from to meet, prevent anyone to meet with Governor, Honorable His Excellency Governor. If Raj Bhavan allowed them, we are thankful to you, your good office allowed today LOP and 106 victim person. And not only that, we are very grateful to you. You visited one safe home in Maheshwari Sadan Guest House in Calcutta and patiently heard the victim and assess the ground reality, what is going on in rural Bengal, in all over the Bengal. And what is the role of the West Bengal police as well as Calcutta police. Sir, we submitted a memorandum to your good office today through you. Sir, our request, please advise state government to continue CAPF deployment in the state up to Durga Puja at least, to maintain the law and order. We are thankful to ECI, Election Commission of India. They passed a order before withdrawing the MCC. The past history, in question of the past history of West Bengal, they directed to the state government and MHA also, up to 19th June, 400 company, approx 40,000 CAPF personnel is continuing in various police stations in West Bengal. Now, sir, we went Calcutta High Court again as a leader of opposition. I bound to try to protect West Bengal people, especially the BJP workers, supporters and voters. I am belonging to BJP, world largest party. BJP got 2021 2.28 lakh vote. Even this election we got 2.33 lakh. It's a huge voters supported us. We are bound to protect them. Sir, our request is simple. Please advise to state government to restore the normalcy in various parts of the state, the vulnerable police station, and continue to the CAPF up to our major festival Durga Puja. And sir, you are the representing the state central government. Please advise or request or send a note to the MHA that CAPF should continue here to save the life of the people. The TMC leaders and goons, those who are already implicated in multiple number of scam and the post-poll violence cases in 2021 cases, they already threatened our people and all the BJP workers and voters. Thus, after withdrawing of the CAPF, we will start again atrocity, vandalism, and like anything in West Bengal again. We are apprehending that the massive massacre may happen in West Bengal if CAPF will go. Sir, please look into the matter, and the actual, I am submitting a short briefing to you. Number of complaints in various police stations through DGP mail. Sir, with your kind permission, I would like to draw your kind attention that Honorable Justice Mr. Kaushik Chandra bench in vacation, summer vacation, they passed an order that they want to two DGP mail number publicly opened by the state government, and all affected people should send mail to DGP mail. Till now, as per our so far our collecting report, 1,025 complaint sent various parts of the state. Nature of complaint: attack by the TMC goon 340, looted, robbed shop and shop closed 233, vandalized home and looted home 310, threatened by the TMC goon 750, ration card take away and interrupt to take ration under Pradhan Mantri Anna Suraksha Yojana, more than 500 so far, but this number will increase thousands. In safe home, 3,200 people we are arranged safe home. Safe home location Baruipur, Basanti, Diamond Harbour, Barasat, Oshirat, Kolkata, Medinipur, Jhargram, Vishnupur, Arambagh and Coach Bihar. Homeless in state and other than state 2,500. Approx 10,000 people shelterless and they bound to leave their houses. Sir, please look into the matter sympathetically, and you are the constitutional head of the state. Sir, please save us. Please save Bengal. Save constitution right of the people. Sir, now I conclude my speech with regards, sir. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now I'll request His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of West Bengal, to please address the post-poll violence victims.
Leader of Opposition, Sri Suvendu Adhikari, Bayo Banera. If Mr. Adhikari permits me, I will try to speak in Bengali. My Bengali is faulty, forgive me. কলকাতা হাইকোর্টে একটা অর্ডার বের করেছে। হাইকোর্ট এটা জেনে আশ্চর্য হয়েছে যে রাজ্যপাল গৃহবন্দী রয়েছে। এটা কারণ কি? কারণ এটা হলো যে যাদের উপর হিংসা হয়েছে তারাই রাজ্যপালের সঙ্গে দেখা করতে চেয়েছিলেন, কিন্তু পুলিশ তাদের বাধা দিয়েছে। কিন্তু কোর্ট বলেছে তাদের দেখা করতে দিতে হবে। আমি আপনার সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি রাজভবনে। আমরা হিংসার বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই করব, একসাথে করব। আমরা বাংলাকে হিংসা মুক্ত করব, হিংসা মুক্ত করব। আমি নেতাজির নামে শপথ করে বলছি, আমি কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর নামে শপথ করছি, আমি স্বামী বিবেকানন্দর নামে শপথ করে বলছি, আমি শেষ পর্যন্ত লড়াই লড়ব, লড়াই লড়ব। দশ কোটি বাংলায় ভাই বোনেরা আমার সাথে আছে। বাংলার মাটি, বাংলার জল, বাংলার বায়ু, বাংলার ফল পুণ্য হোক, পুণ্য হোক, পুণ্য হোক হে ভগবান। কবির দাস বলেছেন, তেরা साई तुझ में, तेरा साई तुझ में जो पुगबन में बास, तेरा साई तुझ में जो पुगबन में बास, कस्तूरी का मृग जो फिर ढूंढे खास। बायो गणेरा तेरा शक्ति तुझ में है, तेरा शक्ति। এবার আমাদের অন্তরের শক্তিকে লালন করা উচিত। আমি কোর্টের আদেশটা কার্যকরী করব ইন লেটার অ্যান্ড স্পিরিট, পুরোপুরি ভাবে। নাম্বার 1, আক্রান্তরা রাজভবনে আমার সঙ্গে দেখা করবে। নাম্বার 2, ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত পুলিশ মন্ত্রী, হোম মিনিস্টার, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য চিফ মিনিস্টার, আমার সাথে দেখা করতে পারবে না। And the third, রাজভবনে কর্মরত সব পুলিশদের বদলি করতে হবে, সব পুলিশদের। প্রত্যেকেই যেন বুঝতে পারে বিনাশকালে বিপরীত বুদ্ধি। যদি না বদলাতে পারে তবে পুনর্মূর্ষিকা পাবো, পুনর্মূর্ষিকা পাবো। ধন্যবাদ, নমস্কার।
सबसे दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि कृपा करके राष्ट्रगान के लिए खड़े हो जाएं।